Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So yesterday we did analysis for today on this GBPJPY. I told you guys that we would be expecting a drop on this GBPJPY, right? We talked about having a bearish move for today, but guess what? We had a massive drop today. I think we actually made on a more than 250 pips bearish move was made today alone, which was very far from what we predicted about. Anyway, price is actually playing out the way is actually playing out. So to be able to predict this price for the next day, which is 13, I personally still believe that more drop is to come because we all know that there's going to be a news. Is it CPI or monthly? I can't remember. I think there will be a news that will be released tomorrow. And I don't think that news will come out well for GBP. So if it does not come out well on GBP PS, I believe GBP PS will drop. So if that GBP PS will drop, then we would see a drop on this GBP JPY. When you now take a look at this your JPY index, right? If you take a look at this on your JPY index, if you take a look at this to be an higher highs on JPY index, then a pullback, you see this to be a new highs that took out this previous highs and a pullback was made there. So when you see this a new highs, you see that this new highs took out this previous highs, right? And a pullback has been made. Now a new highs is forming. So today we actually had a bullish move. Tomorrow, once market opens again, I strongly believe we would have another bullish move. So once this price can give us bullish move, then we expect this GBP to JPY actually drop. So currently, GBP JPY is trading at 157. I believe it will actually be trading at a level of 156 or 155 tomorrow. So we should watch out for a level of 156 and 155 for the next day on this GBPJPY. Above all, this GBPJPY, more drop is to come, especially when you look at this movement. Maybe you take a look at this as a drop, right? We now take a look at this to be a pullback. You see this to be a drop again, and this will be considered to be a pullback. Then you take a look at this to be a drop that took out these previous lows. Now a pullback. What do you expect? We're expecting more drop. So unfortunately, or I don't know how to say, but GBP more drop is to come. So this is one of the reasons why for the next day, which is 13, I believe we will actually have a bearish move.